tried passion fruit.
I don't know why. You want some?
It looks good though.
The passion fruit technique? That's what I've tried, Ty.
Oh wait, that's not.
It's not passion fruit.
Grapefruit.
Oh, grapefruit. My bad. It's because I've been getting it so often, I forget. Come look at it, Misa. Come look at it. It's always your reaction to it, really. If you think about it, huh?
Yes.
Low-key, I was not feeling it because it's kind of annoying and stuff, but here.
Don't look at my jizz thing shit. Stop, nigga.
Nigga, just on throwback, because remember when you just on your pants? Don't show the address. It's like a fucking, it's like a shirt. I was like, what the fuck?
Costume?
Oh yeah, costume.
Nice. Nigga loves Forge.
I had to get Forge. Because I had to forge everything, so I was like, fuck it. Now music can fuck.
You can open it.
I think it opens.
Just rip it, huh?
Wait, what the fuck? No, I had it open.
Yeah, whoa, dude.
I took it out.
Nigga's a magician, I guess.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Nigga resealed the back and everything.
No, I guess I didn't take it out then. I haven't opened it then. Fuck. The main reason I got black because I didn't want red or blue because I thought it was going to be like
black,
too
black.
fucking,
Black
too much.
Looks good. Black looks good.
Yeah, I just want it to be a little subtle.
Sounds fly.
The Forge Motorsport.
It looks like it's duct tape almost. You see?
Yeah, I think it's silicone, I think, right? That's what they call it. The install, I hear, is annoying. I didn't want to do it today. I was telling me, so I was like, let's do another video, bro. But he was down. He said he wants to get it done.
Alright, it's just chill day.
This is not chill, bro.
Dan's about to cry.
It's pretty much just replacing this shit. But I mean, after this, I'm ready for the tune, especially because this is the last piece. I could already get the tune, but I was like, I might as well just complete the full fucking starter kit. Are you ready? Oh. Alright, we're gonna need more speed.
We had let's score.
Are you ready? Go! Oh. Yes, sir. Misa's taking the intake off. I'm about to be lifting it up. We should be. Honestly, the plan is to finish in like an hour.
Don't say it.
But it might take us 3, if anything. I don't know. We'll see. Boys, honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. We pretty much got everything off. Everything's off over here. We just need that last little hex bolt. Mr. went to go get some, like, the right tools for the job. But other than that, that's the last thing we need. Hopefully, I keep saying it, bro, like an hour itself, but oh shit, low-key. We'll see how long it takes. What the fuck? But honestly, I fuck with how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. And then, yes, y'all probably waiting on the tune, bro, for real, but I just need this last little one. I was like, I might as well just go all out, put this one on too, just to finish like the whole thing. And then after this, the tune is coming. Boys, this is literally about to be so bad. Look, I don't think you can see, but I literally, oh fuck, I literally got it off right now, and this fool had to go walk to his car. Jeez, that shit's loud. But fucking, this is about to rage quit on me. I'll show you guys when you get to. Guess what? I already got it out.
Did you really? No way.
Yeah.
Fuck up.
Made you walk for no reason. It was so easy, dude. It was not tight at all.
Really?
Yeah, it was like, look.
You got it out that one, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
that's the adapter I was talking about.
Nice.
And look, this is it. It's just this little bolt. It was pretty easy, actually. All right, boys, we got it out. We got it out. Showing this one. Here's the old one. Bro, every video you'll see, they're gonna say the same shit. This one's so skinny, and then this one's so fat. Like, we already know, bro. Like, that's not no diss track or nothing, but like, that's just because it's just facts, though. I mean, what else are you gonna say about it, bro? It's just a little fatter pipe. You know what I mean? It's already hella dirty too. It's okay though. But now we gotta go to the struggle of
this kitty.
Hey! You already know what that is. Now we just gotta go through the struggle of putting it on. I bought them without the box supposedly, but then it came with the box.
There you go.
Oh, nigga! What the hell? That shit was not even nice, bro. You low-key got a boner, dude.
Whoa!
Look at him, he's red as shit. He low-key liked it. I know.
This nigga liked it.
Nigga, what?
We were gonna do that earlier, but then Ricardo came over here and we are like,
Oh,
wait
that's
a
why you
second, wait a
laughing.
second. I
That's
was
why
like,
you
wait, hold
laughing,
on, nigga.
Nigga has freckles.
I'm gonna boner.
I love freckles, nigga. Hey, if you're a nigga, no, if you're
Wait,
a
hold on,
Yeah.
nigga. Put that in the video. Put that in the video.
Nigga said, and you're a nigga.
if you're a bitch with freckles, my ass right here.
Oh, hell no.
Oh hell yeah!
Misa, while I was taking the shit, Misa fucking got it done. Yeah, I went to go poop. But we got in. Boys, honestly, that part down there it's a bitch. It's a bitch, but now we just gotta put everything back up.
With this skater.
And we're done. It low-key, it took us like, hey, we got done pretty much at the time we said though, like around 1. Around 1!
This nigga said 1 hour. At what time was it?
Like 8 or 9 to 9 or some shit? I don't know. But hey, we
It
finished.
really did take us 3 hours.
Yeah, we just gotta put it back in. I'm hoping it sounds a little bit louder. I forgot to record a clip beforehand, but I'm gonna throw in one right now, and then I'll show you guys after.
There it is. I heard it.
Seems to be running, chilling. Yeah, it's cold right now though, but it seems to be chilling. Hopefully it's louder. But I'm gonna let it warm up though, cause it's cold right now.
It is louder. It is louder.
Does the turbo sound louder?
Yeah.
That's what's up. All right, let's go for a drive then. Let's go for a drive then. Nice install. Motherfucker, sucker you. Oh yeah, yeah. Look, show them the wall. Let's tell them things.
Screenshot. What did I just start choking you? People like it. What the fuck are you recording?
Nigga.
You?
What are you actually recording?
Dude, stop. Go.
I'm concerned.
Hey, I might actually buy something.
I might too. If I have I'll get a chance to look.
We'll see. I'll shop around.
You can get it, bear brick.
They're $100. I'll get something that's like
Nigga.
at least 50.
What are you looking at?
What voy a por ahí on Daniel? That YouTube check him in.
What?
Tell him we'll be por ahí. Steakhouse.
We're here at the restaurant.
Steakhouse.
Some slight.
Some steakhouse. You know?
Steakhouse. This nigga wishes. He wants to go to Benihana so bad.
That's not a steakhouse.
What is it?
It's a Japanese.
barbecue.
Japanese.
Barbecue. Korean barbecue, no? Who's not here?
Hold on. Now.
Hey, now he's back though. You talked too early. It's still loading.
For a wait and my food's still not here. Let's see how long it takes.
Let's kill him, bro. Let's kill him. These chips are so good.
As you can see, these niggas got some nasty ass fucking chips.
They're not nasty.
Fucking weak ass salsa.
Nah, spicy ass sauce, nigga. What the fuck? That's how spicy. I'm crying. Look at
This nigga's just gay.
Beautiful.
It's not spicy, huh?
You niggas are a bitch.
What do you have to say?
If you're not a bitch, then take one more.
Do you think they're spicy? Like what? That's 2 against 1.
No!
This nigga's just
Serve
a bitch.
me up, serve me up.
Let's actually get him.
Wait, we can't record in there. Yeah, we can.
Wait, what? Oh, y'all niggas got chicken. That nigga be sorry.
You thought?
Yeah. Nigga got us good.
These are from Japan and shit.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
All these things
What about it?
from Japan and shit.
Oh,
We're gonna go get them personally,
Like
you know?
Tokyo, yeah. Yeah, we are, in fact.
Bro, this store is fucking sick. This one is. Do you like these right here? Yes.
God damn, bro. That's cool, though. Oh, these are cool.
Oh, the one on the back is.
That's a
double
big one, too?
Yeah.
Fortnite. Oh, Zoe. No, the Ramon hates her. This over here, look. Zoe. Oh, look at Megan.
I don't know if you guys hear that, but it sounds pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I honestly, I can't say it feels any faster or anything either. People say you do feel like a little bit of more throttle response. Maybe if you think about it, you might feel it, but I can't say. All I know is once I'm tuned, I'll for sure feel something. And if I don't, then I got scammed or something, yeah. We appreciate all of you guys who like, comment, subscribe, all that, boys. Means a lot, you know. We're creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, which sounds small, but that's pretty cool, boys. I'm not gonna lie. We're almost there, so if you're new and you haven't subscribed, just make sure to subscribe. Tell your boys, do whatever you want, you know. Just don't be masturbating, bruh. That's the one thing. Other than that, like, we got mods coming in. We got a bunch of stuff. I'm most excited for the. Well, actually, I'm excited for a couple of things that are coming, but I want the tune already. Tune should be coming soon. Make sure to come back for that and all that, but because right now, like with this, I don't feel too much of a difference, but with the tune, I'll definitely feel a difference, and it'll be cool. It'll be cool. But that's pretty much it. Oh, that one store we went to, bruh. Like, cause like I've always liked like little collectible shit like that. You know what I mean? Like me, I like collecting like rare things, you know, like in whether it be like in CSGO, TF2 type shit. I don't know if you guys know what that is, probably some of you. And like no wonder, like that's why I have the 20, if you feel me. Like I like the regular GTI too, because I mean that's what I had before, but like I always like how it's like a special edition or something more rare. Like it's just like something, I don't know, I just feel cool collecting it, you know. But that one store we went to with all the collectibles and shit, like that was a cool little store. I ended up picking up like this little Mickey Mouse pill. It was a pill they used to use back in the day. I did some research on it for fucking like, what's it called? Like to drug people or like some shit like that and just like take advantage of shit. But I mean, it looks cool though. The pill looks cool. And then I got like a little Bartman. And then I got my brother something too for his birthday. His birthday's not till May 5th, and I already gave it to him, bro. I cannot wait. But dude, it's annoying because like I don't got room to fucking collect all this shit, you know, and and now I'm like feeling horny to get more, you know, but oh, it's a cool store though. We're definitely gonna go check out more around the area at least to see what we find and shit, but I can't be buying too much. Bro. But that's it, boys. We're gone, bro. We'll see you in the next video, yeah?